about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Ayan na naman. I always do that every time I go on live. I forget to put my natawa ko. Sabi ko, tapos na ang intro live. Saan ako? Hindi ko pala na-add ang self ko. Yeah, that's made my day. So, how's everyone been doing? Coach Gladys here with a heart. Yeah, it's been a while. So, ang tagal-tagal kong di nag-live because of life happens. My kids got sick and I was also very sick with, influenza because yeah, the weather here is just changing, very cold, and then it will be positive snow, and then it will rain. Yeah, so stuff like that. So I'm thinking, I'm actually eating my brunch, actually 2 protein bread with mackerel. Let's eat. And my husband, before he went, to his errands today, he made some soup. Like it's very healthy. It's chickpeas, beans, and yeah, it's really good. Mga unta. So actually, I make myself push myself to show up today because I really want to talk about something. Before I decided to went live on her, I read a while ago and really pushed me that I want to share this message to the world or to those people who will gonna catch the replay, even as one person. But if I could bless that one person, so I'm good. So it says there, you need to be willing to say, think, and do the right things before the right things will start happening to you. Right? Because what we tend to do as a person, it's another way around. We want that the right things will happen to us, all the good things. We love good stuff. We want to have a life of freedom. We want to have, that everything will went well. But what we need to do is we need to have to be willing to do everything it takes, even if it will you will go to your comfort zone in order for you to see that the right things will happen to you. You need to say, to do, to think first. You need to say first, come from your mouth. If you really want to be successful, I want to have a freedom, you need to say it all the time. And then what you say, you will think. And then what you think, you will do the right things. And the right things will start happening to you. So I want to say nothing's changed if nothing's changed. That's what the title of our live today. From stuck to thriving, from pain to purpose, coming from my own story, and that will change, that will shift everything in your life. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope, yeah, everyone is not sick. Yeah, I really want to talk about something that I knew a lot of us struggle. Kanang daghan kayong, there's a lot of people nowadays who really want to have a good life, to have a life of freedom, to have a life of option. But then, count it down. Let's eat, guys. But then, I'm really having my breakfast lunch, my coffee here. It's good. I'm gonna have a sip. And it's so nice. It's so therapeutically silent here at home. My only Bella is here, but she's not making any noise. She's silent and very kind. Say hi, baby girl. She's always at my side wherever I go to the CR, if I will go to everywhere upstairs to his kuya's rooms, wherever, to kitchen making food. He's always at my foot or at my side. My baby girl. Sige, matulog na ka anak. Oy, diyan na ka. So, yeah. So, I really want to talk about nothing's changed if nothing's changed. From stuck to thriving, from pain to purpose. So, daghan, we really have a lot of dreams. We have a lot of kanang goals to achieve. But what really kanang differ us from the people who are very successful, thriving with their life, is their action. So, taking action, right? Okay, even though I know you've been there, done that. I've been there, done that. Gusto ko ma-change akong life because I was so tired of having that same cycle. But I did not take action. I did not, listen to my guts. And the opportunity life itself has shown me a lot of, it's presented itself. This business, I never took action. 3 years, as in. So the difference between the successful people and not is, taking action. Why, whether it's, going after a goal, or, making a life change or stepping into something new, we often wait for the perfect moment. But let me tell you something I've learned. There is no perfect moment, guys, as in walang perfect moment. Because if you will just keep on doing what you are doing, you will just keep on being stuck. You will getting tired, or worse, you will get depressed. You will, kanang burn out, and then everything will not make sense. You will be very irritable. You will be very sick. And then, everything will just spiraling down if you will not take action. Right? What I've learned is there's no such thing as perfect moment. Gutom. Alas 12 na kape. So the only time we truly have is right now. So I know this feeling because I've really experienced this 2021 back then. 2021. So 4 years ago now, I was really at the low point in my life where, everything seemed so fine, okay lang. I'm settling for mediocrity. I'm just living my life on the surface. But deep down, deep down within me, within myself, I know that I am not doing what I supposed to do. I really felt that I am capable of doing good, but I really settled for, working, just taking care of my responsibilities as a mom, because yeah, that's what we do as a mom, as a wife. Yeah, keeping up with life, but I am not really hearing my inner self gut, my inner self intuition, that I think I need to do something that is worthy within me, so that, I feel more fulfilled. I feel more successful, but I don't know. I just keep on repeating the same day cycle. And then at the end of the day, gikapo jugo, guys. I was so exhausted. And then, I never listened to that, that feeling that is nudging me deep within my soul. Nga, Gladys, you are meant to do something more. You are not meant to just wake up with alarm clock, go to work, pay bills, and then repeat again. Then every year, there's something deep within me nga, Gladys, you are meant for something more. There's something whispering me nga, you can do more than this. Then, pero wala ko kabalo. I really don't know what to do. Because even though the opportunities presented itself, there's a lot of opportunities. Sige ako og skeptical. I'm bot. So that's what I said a while ago. The difference with the people who are successful and not are taking action. And then when I became, was really depressed, I whisper myself, is this all there? Is this the life that I really want? I think I have enough. And then when that clarity starts kicking in within me, so I found myself doing more of what I really want in my life, because deep within me, I really want to have that change. So what I said a while ago, that your pain will be your own purpose if you take action. From that feeling of stuck, you will gonna really thrive with your life if you're gonna take action. Kay ako ang manta ron, guys, kung mag-ulaw-ulaw ka, you always think what others, what other people might think with you, because you are following yourself, that you are meant for something more. Mag-think ka sa mga tao, you will not actually grow. And I'll be very honest with you. Going back to that story again, I really ignored for how many years that still small voice, because everything that we talk when it comes to change, it is scary, right? You will become really fearful because we are wired people to just stay at our comfort zone and doing the things that is not, that is outside from our comfort zone. We really get fearful. Mga unta, po sa ko, lami kayo ang soup. And it's easier to stay where we feel safe, even if that place doesn't make us truly happy and contented and fulfilled. I kept thinking before, maybe later, I really have to do it, maybe later. I really don't know. Is this the life that I want? Yeah, I really want a change, but is this the way? Maybe I just keep on working. Yeah, a lot of back and forth, back and forth. You are just the one holding you back. Maybe when things settle down, you always say that maybe when I feel more ready, maybe. But there's no such things as the perfect time, or there's no such thing as you are ready. But one day, I had a realization. If I don't move, nothing's changed. Nothing's changed if nothing's changed. So the life I wanted, the life you've wanted, wasn't going to just, going to just lay in your lap, and then it will just like that. No. For myself, I had to create it. You have to create it. I had to take that first step. You had to take that first step, that leap of faith. Even if you really didn't know what to do at first, you just have to figure it out along as you keep on doing it, learning by doing. That's what I did, even though there's a lot of the fear of the unknown, but I kept on pushing. So yeah, change is really uncomfortable. Change is and growth is very inconvenient, but at the end of the day, no one's will gonna do it. No one will gonna do it for you. Trust me, guys. I kept on delaying my success before, so I wasn't very, yeah, I did not listen my inner gut before 3 years. Some other day, I really like nagsisibitaw ko, like, nganong wala man ko ning join dahil ani sa business. It could have been very, very, mas bigger ang result now. But hey, I just keep on reminding, but hey, there's a lot of reason why. Maybe I am not yet ready mentally. Gihon pa ko. Gihon pa ko ni Lord, so that when this opportunity will come, I tend to not give up, and I keep on showing up. And that's what happened to me. Yeah. So life always happens. There's always challenges and problems along the way. But if your mindset is stronger, that if you just push, you keep on showing up, your life will really change. So yeah, change is uncomfortable, growth is uncomfortable. But you know what else is uncomfortable? Staying in the same place year after year, month after month, doing the same, feeling stuck, feeling like you're meant for more, but you're not, deep within your core, you are not doing something to change it. We are often waiting for confidence before we start something new, but the truth is confidence doesn't come first. But you know what comes first? It's the action. Confidence is built after we take the first step. That's what it is. I said it again. Confidence is built after we take the first step. So, ang confidence, it will just appear when you keep on immersing yourself, when you keep on taking action. If you will wait for yourself that you will get confident, sad to say, you will, you will maybe die, but you can't do something if you have that mindset that maybe I will just wait when I'm ready and I'm confident. No, you will get the confidence when you immerse yourself, when you take that first step, and then the confidence will build. It grows when we prove to ourselves that we are capable. We are the only one who can save our own ship. Diba? Kadungog mo na nga quotes. Sige ko kadungog ana sa una. When I even settled for less, you can just save your own ship. No one's gonna save you unless yourself. Making kaon. So, muna siya, if you just wait that your life will change, no, it won't change. You have to take action. Yeah. And unsa pa man ako sulti, so whatever it is that you've been putting off, anything, even you will change your body, you will change your goal, you need to shred a little bit of kilo, whatever it is, you want to learn something, knitting, you want to paint, whatever it is, the first step is to take action, and then you keep on learning while you keep on doing it. So yeah, stop waiting for the right time, because the right time is often don't come. Right time is when you decide to make it happen, right? The right time is the time when you decide to make it happen. So let me ask you, to those who are watching now and to those who will gonna catch the replay, what's one thing you've been really wanting to do but you keep on postponing? Is it because of fear? Is it because of doubt? Feeling like you are not ready, or feeling like you are not worthy? I get it. I've been there. I experienced everything. I had these self-limiting beliefs before. But I want to challenge you today. What if you just, you took just one small step every day? Today. What if you took just, that small, you will listen to that still small voice that you have to reach out, you have to ask. What if you stop overthinking and just started? Because here's the truth, guys, nothing's changed if nothing's changed. Your dreams, your goals, your aspirations, the things that you want to achieve, the best life, the freedom, the time freedom, the financial freedom, they are all on the other side if you take action. And you don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to start. So if this resonates with you, short, if this resonates with you, if you've ever felt like you are stuck or unsure, if you want to change your life but you don't really know what to do, I really want to encourage you, take that first step. Listen to that inner gut within you, because deep inside we have this inner GPS, that inner navigation, that there's something still small voice whispering us. So it doesn't have to be huge, just one step. And if you're feeling brave, just drop in the comment below, message me, or reach out to me, whatever it is, in the messenger, in Instagram, in TikTok, wherever it is. If you want to change your life, let's start a conversation. I really want to change your life too. I've been there. That's why I keep on putting myself here, so that I know deep within me there's more to life, to thrive than just to survive. So I am here, your coach Gladys with a heart. I am willing to guide and change your life for the best if you are willing to change yourself too. Kasi walang, even though no matter how I put myself going here, putting everything, the webinar, but that change really comes from within. And what differs from other people, successful people, is that taking action. There's no perfect time. The perfect time is the decision that you have to make it happen now. So, yes, that's it for me. Thank you for watching, and thank you for those who will gonna catch up the replay. Stay blessed. And this is your coach Gladys with Heart saying, nothing's changed if nothing's changed. Bye! I will eat! Lamig kayo ang pagkaon.